Have a good day everyone. Today we will see quick select in AutoCAD. Example drawing here. Go home tab, utilities, quick select, exit. Otherwise you can type Q select. Okay, let's see. Quick select, apply to entire drawing, object type, circle. Okay, selected only circles. Okay, exit, quick select, entire drawing, object type, circle, layer, properties, layer, operator equals, value set, grid text layer. How to apply, include in new selection set. Okay, selected only grid text layer, circles. Okay, not selected this layer, not selected this circles. Okay, exit, quick select, entire drawing, object type, mtext. Okay, selected only mtext, selected mtext. Okay, exit, quick select, apply to entire drawing, object type multiple, select properties, layer, equal, grid text, include into new selection set. Okay, circles and grid text selected. Okay, exit, quick select, apply to entire drawing, object type, align dimensions, include into new selection set, tick. Okay, align dimension selected. Okay, exit, quick select, entire drawing, object type, rotated dimension, include in new selection set. Okay, rotated dimensions are selected. Okay, rotated dimensions, exit, quick select, apply to entire drawing, object type, rotated dimension, properties, layer select, equal, value, grid dim layer, include in new selection set, tick. Okay, rotated dimensions selected, only grid dim layers. Okay, exit, again quick select, entire drawing, object type, rotated dimension, layer, operator equal, not equal, grid dim layer, including new selection set, tick. Okay, selected only this rotated dimensions. Okay, zero layer, exit, quick select, entire drawing, object type, rotated dimension, layer, equal, 0, including new selection set, tick. Okay, selected these dimensions. Okay, exit, quick select, apply to entire drawing, object type multiple, properties, layer select, equal, select, layer, grid dim, tick. Okay, grid dim layer selected. Okay, exit, quick select, entire drawing, object type multiple, select layer, properties, equal, layer, 0, tick. Okay, selected 0 layer only. Okay, exit, quick select, apply to entire drawing, object type, line, tick, OK. Lines selected only. OK. Exit, quick select, apply to entire drawing, select object type, line, layer, properties, equal, grid center, include tick, OK. Grid center lines are selected, OK. Exit, quick select, apply to entire drawing, object type, line, properties, layer, equal, not equal, grid center, include, tick, OK. Now not selected grid center line, OK. Exit, again quick select, apply to, select object, select, enter, multiple, select layer, equals, grid team, select, include tick, OK. OK. Exit, repeat, quick select, entire drawing, multiple, layer, equal, grid text, select, include unit selection set, tick, append to current selection set, tick, OK. OK. Again quick select, entire drawing, multiple, layer, equal, select, grid team, include, tick, append to current selection set, tick, OK. OK, now grid text and dimensions are selected now. Again quick select, entire drawing, multiple, layer, equal, grid center, include, tick, append, tick, OK. Grid center selected, dimension selected, grid text, circles selected, OK. Exit. OK, thanks for watching, have a nice day.